say the weather is really lovely now, so it's time to dress up. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely holiday dress. So let's get started. This time, I tried the three-dimensional creation of design on the model's body, which is a form of sculpting with fabric directly, and it worked well. It's much easier to show you the whole look, and you could actually make the fittings on the model, which is really convenient and efficient as well. I mean, when you try to make yourself the model for fittings, the pins that we use to attach the pieces always hurt us. So using a model to do the design work is really safe and relaxing. My idea was to make the front slit and the belt sleeves. Having a perfectly fitted belt sleeves will instantly give you a romantic vibe. Now we're going to cut the fabric out with your paper pattern, but remember to arrange the cut properly so that we won't waste the fabric. Here's my favorite part, that is to make a good looking deep V neckline. The trick to make it neat is to add another piece of fabric with the shape of trapezoid, combine one side of shoulder line plus one side of neckline and half of waistline. You could also attach sleeves on the model, just pin the center line and two sides first. Since it's going to be a holiday dress, I intend to give it a casual style. So I pin two sides together at one point, which is going to be the front slit, and then I just gather the waistline to make the fittings. This model is not exactly my size, so I still will have to make the measurement and fitting on myself again just to make sure that everything fits. I don't have an overlock machine right now, so I use another stitch of my sewing machine to deal with some attached parts inside. For the rest of the raw edges, just hem them all.